How to withdraw money from Binance to your bank account. I am going to show you how you can easily withdraw money from Binance to your bank account. The first thing you need to do is to open the Binance app on your phone. The next thing you need to do is to check your balance on this page. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Here are different cryptocurrencies at present. Select the currency with which you want to withdraw or transfer your money. Now you have to sell that currency, so tap on sell at the bottom right corner of this page. Now you have to adjust the amount in which you want to sell. Click on Sell Edu. You can see the price in the Gainer section. Now your order has been done successfully. Click on the Spot option. Tap on BNB, go back and click on Withdraw. In the coin list, tap on USD. And now the withdrawal page has been opened. Here you can see the recommended options like P2P Express or bank transfer. When you have a balance in your account, then select the bank transfer option as we are looking for it. After that, tap on Continue. That is how you can withdraw money from Binance to your bank account. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.